Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 smells funny, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a buildup of dust, debris, or a blockage within the machine. If left unresolved, it can lead to reduced performance and even permanent damage to your vacuum. So, let's get started on fixing that smell. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a soft brush, some cloths, and replacement filters, which are crucial for maintaining a fresh scent. First, ensure your Dyson V8 is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Begin by removing the dustbin. Simply press the release button and pull it away from the main body. Next, use your screwdriver to carefully unscrew the casing on the back of the vacuum. Be gentle here to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the casing off. Now, locate the filter. It's usually situated near the motor. Carefully remove it, taking note of how it fits in place. If it's clogged or dirty, this could be the source of the odor. Rinse it under warm water until it's clean, then set it aside to dry completely. If your filter is too worn out or damaged, now is the time to replace it with a new one. While you're in there, use a soft brush to clear any dust or debris from the motor area. This is important to prevent any further smells. Take extra care not to damage any wires or components around the motor. Once everything is clean and dry, reinsert the filter back into its housing. Make sure it fits snugly. Now, it's time to reassemble your Dyson. Place the casing back onto the main body and screw it in securely. Make sure all screws are tightened properly, but be cautious not to over-tighten them, as this can cause damage. Finally, reattach the dustbin, and you're ready to test it out. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your filters every month and ensure that you empty the dustbin after each use. This will help maintain the performance of your Dyson V8 and keep any unpleasant smells at bay. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.